white dots, white patches. Okay, so when you're pregnant, you can start to show signs of pigmentation on your skin. It doesn't mean that something is wrong with you, right? Another thing that can cause this issue is reaction from some toning products. I did not say all, some, so that you not come and tag me one day and say Cherry Skin said. Okay, so so reaction from some of your toning products, right, can cause you to start having white patches or white dots. Welcome back to my channel. This is Oriba for Cherry Skin. It's been a very long time, say 6-7 months last time I posted. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry for the break in transmission every single time, but you know, life happens and we have to happen to life too. Okay guys, I'm so excited to be here. As you all know, I'm always very excited to be in front of the camera shooting. Yes, okay, so guys, thank you so much for always sticking to this channel. I know I'm not always consistent here, but I get messages on my WhatsApp and even on my comment sessions saying how you have tried the recipes I've dropped and how they are working for you. Thank you so much for sticking with this inconsistent woman. Anyways, for my subscribers, you guys, you know, you are the real MVPs. Like I always say, like there's nobody like you, like no one like you. Yeah, thank you so much for always being here. And if you are not a subscriber yet, this is your first time passing by my channel, please don't let this be the last time you are here, right? Feel free to go around my channel. There's a lot of videos there for you to watch and learn from. So go ahead, click that subscribe button so that you become a subscriber. Have you done it? I'm waiting. Done? Okay, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. So yes, today I'm bringing a very amazing video to you. Yes, today I want to talk about I want to show you a very simple yet effective recipe for how you can treat your white dots and your white patches, your pigmentation on your skin. Basically, it's a treatment oil, right? Okay. Recently I've been having a lot of people come to me in my WhatsApp to say, I have white dots on my skin, I have white patches. Meanwhile, I'm going to put the picture up here so you know what I'm talking about and how this skin issue looks like. Okay, so yes, recently I've been having a lot of people come into my WhatsApp to tell me how that they have white patches on their face, around their lip, right? Because these are the areas usually appears, their shoulders, their backs, and they want to know if I have a product that can treat it, right? And the cause of that. So yes, I have a treatment oil for white dots, white patches, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah, so so what is white dots or white patches? Because I've really gotten that question a lot recently. That's why I decided to do this video, right? So white patches are, or white dots are, skin reactions you get on your skin from using, basically there are different causes of white dots. So do not come and say, Cherry Skin said it's because of one product. Let me tell you first. Okay, so yeah, let me tell you the causes first before I tell you what white patches or white dots are. Okay, and so some of the causes of white patches and white dots on the skin. One could be pregnancy. Okay, when you're pregnant, you can start to show signs of pigmentation on your skin. Now I'm talking about the white pigmentation, which is what we're talking about here. white dots, white patches. Okay, so when you're pregnant, you can start to show signs of pigmentation on your skin. It doesn't mean that something is wrong with you, right? Another thing that can cause this issue is reaction from some toning products. I did not say all, some, so that you not come and tag me one day and say cherry skin set. Okay, so so reaction from some of your toning products, right, can cause you to start having white patches or white dots. And usually, let me quickly say this, white patches usually start as white dots on your skin. You start to see tiny white dots on your skin. Sometimes you get to see them on your face, around your lips, on your shoulders, your backs, anywhere. It can actually come out anywhere on your body. Okay, so you have to be very sensitive, you have to be very cautious, you have to be very observant of your skin to know when you are reacting to anything like that. And one way you can avoid this, first of all, when you are pregnant, there's nothing you can do about it. Okay. Yes, there are treatments that you can use, yeah, but I'm usually very careful when it comes to pregnancy, so I'm not going to go there. But if you have these white dots on your skin cause of reaction from using toning products, there are ways you can actually prevent this from becoming worse. Because once you notice those things on your skin, first thing you need to do first is stop whatever you are using that cause those reactions on your skin. Okay, you need to first of all stop using those products so that you can now attack the issue head on. Okay, now before I teach you a recipe, let me first of all give you a very simple recipe that you can use before we go to the main recipe for today, right? If you have this issue and it was caused by toning products on your skin, you can use these Vit products. Vit brands are very, very amazing on the skin. Like, I cannot quantify the amazement of Vit products. Okay, yes, there are two products of the Vit brands that you can actually use. So these two products from the Vit brand are the Vit treatment oil. I'm going to leave the picture for you to see, and the Vit kojic oil. You just mix both together, mix whatever quantity you want. You can do half of the treatment oil and then add a little bit of the kojic to it and start using on your skin. Yes, a lot of people have recommended using Pharmaderm and NDXG, but honestly, I've had experience with those two products, and for me, they do not work. Right? There's a whole lot of videos online on YouTube telling you to use Pharmadex and NDXG to cure your white patches or white dots. Like I said, I've had experience with those two products, and really, they don't work. Maybe they do for others, but for me, nah. Now that's from experience. I'm not shading anybody, right? Okay, so try this simple recipe and then come get back to me and tell me how it worked for you. Okay, so now to the main recipe of the day. Hey, are you excited? Okay, so to our main recipe for today, this recipe is actually very, very effective. Like, it is super effective. Yes, you see results in less than a week of use. Okay, so let's get to it. Get your notes, get your pen, and write. Okay, yes, I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box because I know some of you don't like to. But make sure you watch this video, otherwise no more for you. Okay, so so you need your palm kernel oil. We all know palm kernel oil is great, it's amazing. Yes, I cannot tell you the benefits because I don't want this video to be too long. So whatever I call here, whatever ingredients I mention here, please go and do your research on them. Okay, we need palm kernel oil, and mind you, there are two types of palm kernel oil. There's the refined one and there's the unrefined one. Yes, I'm going to leave the pictures of every ingredient I'm calling so that you know what I'm talking about, so that when you want to get them for yourself, you actually know what you're getting. Okay, like I said, there's the refined one and there's the unrefined one. This is the refined one and that is the unrefined one. Okay, you need your bell eclat. Okay, another name for that is called the magic kenacol. All right, pictures are going to be up there, so do not fret. Third thing you're going to need is your crude kenacol oil. Is it an oil? Let's just call it that. Fourth thing is your sulfur. You need your miracle powder, you need your rescue oil, you need your blackseed oil, and then you need your emu oil. Some of you might be wondering, all these ingredients just to treat white patches. Yes, white patches may not actually be a source of concern, right? It's not like a life-threatening issue that you have to be running helter-skelter. But once you notice those on your skin, like I said, first of all, stop the products you're using. See your dermatologist or your skincare therapist. Yes, like me. Okay. Okay. So this is what you do. Here are the measurements of everything that you're going to need. Your palm kernel oil, you're going to need 50 ml of that. Your magic kenacol, you're going to need 1 magic kenacol. You're going to need 50 ml of your crude kenacol, 1 teaspoon of the sulfur powder, 1 miracle powder. Miracle powder is amazing. Like, I call it small but mighty. Okay, it is amazing. Like, if you have to treat skin issues, right, and you're a skincare formulator, please always try and make use of your miracle powder, because it is super amazing. It cures a whole lot: scars, stretch marks, white dots, a whole lot, acne, right? It's amazing. All right, you're going to need 5 ml of your rescue oil, 10 ml of your blackseed oil, 5 ml of your emu oil. Simple thing. Put everything in a sterilized bowl, mix together, whisk, or use your hand blender to mix everything together, and that's it. Just simply apply on the affected areas where you have those white dots or white patches. Okay, and another thing that you need to note is, like I said, white patches usually start out as white dots on the skin, so you have to be very observant of your body, of your skin, to know, okay, I'm reacting to something and this is what it's actually causing. Okay, because if you are not observant, it can actually, that is when it grows, that is when it expands to become white patches, right? So please be very observant, know your skin type, know the products that work for you, stick to them. Stop jumping from this to that to that. Okay, because we don't want to have issues. Some other things that you quickly need to note about patches on your skin. Like I said, patches are actually, you can also call them pigmentation on the skin. Okay, and like I said, pregnancy can cause you to react and cause you to have these patches on your skin. That of pregnancy is actually called melasma. It's also known as pregnancy mask. Okay, so I'm not advocating that you go use any of the counter product or off the shelf product, or but please, it's pregnancy, enjoy it while it's there. Okay, enjoy the marks that come with it. Okay. Another kind of patch, this one is actually a permanent patch, and it is not curable. There's nothing you can do about it. You like use all the treatment oils in this life, it will not go, right? It's called vitiligo. That's the picture right there. Okay, this one is like, it's a skin condition. This one does not have a cure, right? For some people it spreads to other parts of the body, for some people it doesn't spread. It spreads to other parts of the body, and yes, it doesn't spread like very fast, it spreads slowly, and it spreads over the years. You may just notice that, okay, this patch is maybe on one part of the face, and then next maybe 2 years that you see the person, you see that it has spread to the neck, to the shoulders, to other parts of the body, right? Okay, so that's vitiligo for you. That one does not have a cure. Okay, Now, please, when you see people that have that, do not discriminate against them. I beg you, they are still human beings like you. Alright, so yeah, that's that for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends. You know now, share with your friends. Not be only you need this thing. There are people you know that have this skin issues, so share with your friends, share with your friends, your family, your sisters, everybody. Share with them so that you can watch this video. Please, if you have not subscribed and you have watched up till this point, what are you waiting for? Please, auntie, red button right there that says subscribe. It's free, totally. I don't get any money for that. I'm not going to charge you for it. It is totally free. Please just go ahead and thank you. Just press it. Get us to 3K already, please. We have been stuck in over 2K for too long. So please, I know you like my face. I know you like me. So please, I beg, just subscribe. Help me. Help me. Thank you very much. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love ya. Hey beauty lovers, so this review just came in. This is our white dot and white patches oil. So if you know you have this issue, send me a DM. Let's get you started.